Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Saya jia onana sar mashide simple future tense lero. To aratun simple present tense, simple past tense hogi goi. As ye sayum de ara simple future tense re kenguri ara sentence ko banai. How to make sentence with simple future tense. So today we are going to make sentence with simple future tense. तो सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस मध्ये अब तू सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस और आरा तू सेंटेंस बना तो दी बार आर तू किसावरे हले फॉर्म सावरिबो फॉर्म ओले ओनरा याद दिदी याना था या शून्य को रिकल करिबे फॉर्म यार रिकल करिबे फला शुरू करा फॉर्म बुझी फॉर्म मदले किले शुरू होबे हले विल प्लस बा फॉर्म शुरू होबे सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस को लेगिला आर तू बाहर उदा हमका फॉर्म मरे विल प्लस बा फॉर्म तो इबार नेगेशन होले विल नॉट प्लस बा फॉर्म विल फिस को क्या आइबो नॉट आइबो नॉट दियर बार क्या आइबो बाफ जन क्या आइबो आइबो बाफ वन आइबो तारपरे हिबार इंट्रोगेशन होले इंट्रोगेशन आई वन इंट्रोगेशन होले विल प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस बाफ वन लास्ट के आरत किले फुरा हरिबो क्वेश्चन मार्क ले फुरा हरिबो या जाना हरिबो क्वेश्चन मार्क दिया हरिबो तले हिबार नेगेशन इंट्रोगेशन होले वोंट प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस बाफ वन क्वेश्चन मार्क तो लिबर मानी फुरा बोले सर मानी मीनिंग किने होले लिम मिले फुराइबो किने फुराइबो लिम मिने सुंडे लिम मिले फुराइबो तो इबार मैं चाहन होले किहन होले सर में जबान आमादे होने कान सिंपल रूरो हासगुलो दे हमर दाहाइबो दे एनि लगवा सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस इट यूज फॉर द फ्यूचर वर्क इट यूज फॉर द फ्यूचर वर्क if you want to do in the future you have to use simple future tense okay simple future tense if you want to go to anywhere in the next time you have to use simple future tense you have to make that sentence with simple future tense so tale simple future tense hodi bare ara future sar me jabanar honkan hatala bole ara ki kori hari istemal kori hari tale give okay let's see the example diyo misal I ayda haliya badar dayim hale I will go to market tomorrow I will go to market tomorrow I ayda ki dayim bazar dayim tale hi anara negation mara do digile I will not go to market tomorrow I will not go tomorrow will not plus bafan for homar ki diya will not plus bafan okay I will not go to market tomorrow tale ar baf ayda haliya rengo to aibu my father will come arba bhaibo my father will come from Yangon tomorrow ar baf ayda haliya Yangon tun aibo tale ara sar me shukubare roza dori hanale kenale we will take fast kinda we will take fast mane ki roza hoda na we will take fast next Friday ayde shukubare ara ki korium roza rakium hanale we will take fast next Friday andale ara ayde hatta shukubare henale ara tu hatta shukubare henale ki hoyo henale songori na ara we will take fast on Friday this week we will take part on Friday this week tale hatta shukubare henale on Friday no dinar monto ara tu ki dia horibe on dia hoyo we will take fast on Friday this week inshallah if Allah save us we will take fast okay take plus fast tele ibar ki doran ruda doran no non Allah take plus fast tele upotongro ni upotogara hodi bara hode kira hana aratu ruza dara aria tele ibar english modlo take fast fast take fast okay tele ibar negation banale we will not take fast interrogation banale tar wilt interrogation ki will we andale will you take fast on Friday this week tale ara ibare interrogation manayo tale tu nodori bini ki ayda hatta mada ruda won't you take fast on Friday this week ayda hatta mada ruda nodori bani ki tale hi bole negation interrogation tale ayda haliya ara go party ko jayum enale ara ayde bosor go party ko jayum amane ki ara ayde bosor ekam building baniyum banon ki hanale build tale ara we will build a building next year ayde bosor ara ki bani building bani ara na bani hole we will not plus bafano no we will not build a building next year ara ayde bosor ekkan building baniyum niki enole would kidene will we build a building next year tomara baniba niki enole will you build a building next year tomara na baniba niki enole won't you build a building next year. This is the simple past and this is the simple future tense. I hope that you understand about simple future tense. If you want to perfect, if you want to be a skill about simple future tense, you have to practice it again and again. Inshallah, I hope that you will do it again and again. You will practice it again and again in your home. And also you have to be, if you want to get the key of tense, you have to practice. You have to practice everyone, each other and everywhere. Everywhere you go, you have to practice with simple present tense, simple past and simple future tense. Okay? If our mistake will come, if our mistake want to come right, we have to practice it regularly. If you want to do a work, you have to think that work. How can I do that work? So you have to think of that task. First you have to think, and then you have to climb up, and then you have to climb down, and then you have to go down, okay, to that work. So the one thing, this is the one thing that thinking is the most important before to go down, before starting any work, okay, before I started any work. If you want to do anything, you have to think first, then you have to work. So I am going to end point. Also, I hope that you are clear about the simple future tense. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.